it's hard to get apples? What'd you say? What if I said I want a motorbike more than you want an apple? What'd you say?
No.
Why?
Because they're good.
What's good?
Apples.
What is an apple?
It's an apple.
What do you like about them?
I like them.
Why?
Because they're good.
Okay, can you be more specific?
What?
Can you be more specific? They're good in what sense? Because they taste like chocolate?
They taste good.
They taste good.
They're sweet.
They're sweet? That's kind of vague. Why don't you sing me a song about apples?
All I can think of is Strawberry Appleseed.
Sing it.
No. I don't even know how the song goes.